All right, welcome. We're in the Yellowstone floor plan of the Passage collection by Taylor Morrison up in Verdin, right? So if you haven't watched the other videos, before you get to this one, you should probably go back and watch the ones at Discovery. We brought you two models there, but for now, we're gonna go through the Yellowstone floor plan at Passage. Okay, the biggest difference between this one and the Discovery collection is the lot sizes are a little bit bigger. So if you want a little bit more space, maybe this is for you. We're gonna take you through. And by the way, if you're new to our channel, like, subscribe, because we're new construction home specialists. That means we bring you all the insider information that you need to know, an amazing experience buying your new home. And we even have some really cool selling incentives to save you time, money, and stress throughout the process. But for now, let's go take a tour of this Yellowstone floor plan. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities, and the location, right? So location-wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now, within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, set up for us sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. All right, so as we come through, one of the things that I actually really love about the Yellowstone floor plan is it's really open and wide right when you walk in, right? So if you're really cool, formal dining area here that's connected to the rest of the house. So if you're somebody that likes to have that feeling of open floor plan, when you walk in, you can kind of see all the way through the house, maybe get some nice mountain views, I would definitely consider the Yellowstone. And you come in here, right off the left of the front door is a really cool setup for a home office, den, things like that. For me, I'm totally using that as a home office. As we continue through here, we got, similar to some of the other floor plans we showed you guys, got a couple of guest bedrooms, guest bathroom. A nice thing about the Yellowstone is we got some nice big walk-in closets. Okay, so there's a little bit more space here. And again, the Yellowstone floor plan is gonna be, you can do it a 3 or 4 bedroom layout. They're also gonna have dual vanities in the bathrooms. Got another bedroom here, and the Yellowstone is about 2,600 square feet. So if you're looking for a 3 or 4 bedroom, 2 to 3 car garage, single story layout, Yellowstone could be a great fit for you. Now that was left of the door. If we come back off the right side, we have a whole nother separate ring. Garage is gonna be there, another guest bathroom, and another guest bedroom here, okay? Again, Yellowstone's gonna give you that wide floor plan that feels very, very open. Come through here, pretty cool kitchen setup. You guys know me, I love my kitchen, and as all of the other floor plans, they're all gonna have really cool islands, nice setups, lots of opportunity to customize and design your own layout, and plenty of space. Now let's go to the primary. All right, so the primary bedroom, I know the one that all of you guys want to see. Really nice setup here, comes through here. Of course, lots of customization. We've got a freestanding tub, nice size shower, pretty generous sized closet as well. And if any of this stuff is maybe not your style, you can change it out. I love the style of this one, but that's, again, the beauty of a Taylor Morrison home is lots of customization. So if you like the Yellowstone or any of the floor plans that we've shown you, here's what to do next. Call, email me, or fill out the link below to schedule a time to come out, see these floor plans, and see all of the amazing options that we have available. Now, lots are limited. They are going pretty quickly. And again, working with us and our team, we can make this process amazing for you. We have a rebate program. You can save up to $10,000 buying a new home. If you have a house to sell, no worries about that contingency because we do guaranteed cash offers, and we also can help list and sell your home for 1%. I know, amazing deal, right? So don't wait, reach out, call, text, email me. I would love to personally speak with you. I'm a new construction home specialist. I know everything about Verdin, and I want to see some amazing families call this their next home. Reach out, let's go take a tour and see these amazing properties. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe, because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.